Hey y'all, it's Shakira LaQuest and thank you for tuning into my video. I have a quick makeup tutorial for y'all, so let's get into this. So right now I'm just moisturizing my face with my Nivea Cream Moisturizer. This will be my primer for the base of my makeup. So I'm going to go in with my Nars Sheer Foundation. This is in the color Caracas. So I'm just using a makeup brush to apply the foundation all over my skin, just putting dots all the way around. So I'm going in with my Real Techniques body blender. I believe I got it from Target. And it's really affordable, and I love how fast I can blend out my foundation. And then this foundation itself is just, oh, look how it melts in my skin. It's so wonderful. So now I'm going in with the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the color Cookie. I love this concealer. It's so thick, it's creamy, it's full coverage. Oh, it's amazing. So I'm going in with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender, and I am just blending out that concealer underneath my eyes. I also like to alternate the eyes, and I like to use any residual concealer I have on my beauty blender for my eyelids to prime my eyelids as well. I like to go in with my Mercier translucent powder to put over my eyelids. It just helps me apply the eyeshadow on easier since I did conceal my eyelids as well. So I'm going in with my ABH Norvina palette. I am going to use the color A3. I'm also going to use my Morphe M209 brush to blend out that eyeshadow on my eyelids until I get the desired color that I'm looking for. To prime my eyelids, I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. So what I'm doing is just placing this primer on my eyelids, and I'm not so much doing a cut crease. I'm just placing it so that when I do place the next eyeshadow, it's vibrant. For my transition shade, I am using the color D1. I'm going to use my Morphe M200 brush, and I'm just tapping that eyeshadow onto my eyes to get that deep, rich orange color. And I'm also blending it out so that it's still seamless as well. So I'm going in with the color D2. And I'm using this on the corners of my eyes. It's just so vibrant and beautiful. So pretty. For this process, I'm using the M124 Morphe brush. So I'm going in with the color A3, and I'm just blending out those harsh lines so that they aren't so noticeable. So I'm going in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm using an e.l.f. brush and I'm just patting it under my eyes. Sometimes during certain seasons I don't like to bake. I just like to press the powder into that concealer so that it sets it. So I'm using the Fenty Coco Naughty bronzer to bronze my face. I'm going back in with that Laura Mercier translucent powder with that e.l.f. brush, and I am just sculpting that bronzer that I have created on my face, just giving it a more sharp look. To contour my nose, I'm using the Fenty Coco Naughty bronzer, and the brush I'm using is the Morphe M208 brush, and I'm just putting it on the bridge of my nose for now, and I'm just blending it out. I'm gonna keep blending it out until I don't see the harshness of the bronzer. One of my favorite powders is the Sephora Micro Smooth, and I use the color Deep Mahogany. And I just put this all over my face. I get rid of all of the translucent powder that I used to cut that bronzer. I place it everywhere. So I'm going in with this NYX white eye pencil, and I'm using it under my lower lash line. For my blush, I'm using the Juvias Saharan Volume 2 palette. I'm using the color Tayu. I'm probably pronouncing that incorrectly, and I apologize for that. So I'm using the same color D2, the same color that I used for the corner of my eyes to put underneath my brows. I'm creating a highlight for the bridge of my nose. I'm using that same color D2 to achieve that. For my lips, I'm using the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in the color Peanut Brittle. I love NYX everything, like NYX lip gloss, lipsticks. They're super affordable, and on top of that, they moisturize your lips as well. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and hope it was very useful for you.